Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make Kanda Poha. Kanda Poha is a delicious and very popular Maharashtrian snack, and it's also very quick and easy to make. So let's check how to make Kanda Poha. To make the poha, we've taken 150 grams, that is 2 heaping cups of poha or beaten rice. This is the thicker variety. 300 grams or 4 medium sized onions, and when we finally chopped them, it came to about 1 cup. 40 grams or half cup roasted peanuts, 15 grams or 1-inch piece of ginger which has been finely chopped, 1 tablespoon curry leaves which have been coarsely torn, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves to garnish, half cup grated coconut, salt to taste, 3 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds or rayi, 1 tablespoon lime juice. Now let's wash the poha gently. Make sure you don't soak the poha in water or wash it too much, because then the poha breaks and the end result is not too good if the poha becomes too mushy. Now to the washed poha, we are going to add salt and half a teaspoon sugar. This is optional, you can skip the sugar, and also some turmeric powder. Now set the poha aside. We've heated a pan and we are dry roasting the peanuts until they turn crisp. Now out of these peanuts, we are going to grind half of these peanuts into a powder and reserve the remaining half to add in the poha as is. Next, let's heat oil in a pan. The oil is hot. Let's add mustard seeds and allow these to splutter. The mustard seeds have spluttered. Now let's add cumin seeds or jeera. Let's allow these to crackle as well. Next, let's add finely chopped ginger and green chillies. We are adding ginger and green chillies before the onions because we want to highlight the flavor of the ginger and green chillies in the poha. That way the poha tastes yummy. Let's stir this for a few seconds so that the raw flavor of the ginger and green chillies is gone, and then let's add the curry leaves followed by the finely chopped onions. Give this a mix. Let's cook the onions a bit till they turn translucent. You don't have to brown the onions, just stir until they just about begin to change color. Now at this point, let's add the whole roasted peanuts and mix the entire thing well. Now let's add turmeric powder and coriander powder. Mix again. Add the salt. Now let's add the peanut powder to this. Wow, the turmeric powder has given this mixture a very nice color. Usually only roasted peanuts are added, but we've added peanut powder because it really enhances the taste of the poha. This is a secret tip. Now let's add the poha that we had washed and set aside earlier. Now let's gently mix this and stir. Be careful not to mix it too vigorously because we don't want the poha to break. There's no need to add water, but if you feel that the mixture is too dry, you can just add a few drops of water, but not more than that. Now let's cover and cook this for a bit. This gives a very soft texture to the poha while at the same time retaining the shape. Now we've removed the lid and the poha looks very nice. Let's just stir this for a little more than a minute and switch off the flame. After we switch off the flame, we are adding the grated coconut. Grated coconut is a very important flavor in poha. Now we've added in the lemon juice and of course finely chopped coriander leaves to garnish, and ta-dam! Poha is all ready to be served. We are just going to give it a last mix and then transfer it to a serving plate. After a last round of garnish with coriander and coconut, it's all ready. We hope you like this recipe. Please try this out and give us a feedback. Like, comment, subscribe, share. You know the drill. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.